Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna play Colin's Cake,
the ultimate fake food challenge.
Let's unbox. Guys, now we're taking the wheel out. And guys, I'm gonna spin the wheel and see what I land on. Neatest. Let's do the card. There's no card.
Where are the cards? There's supposed to be cards in here, guys. This is the thing where all the slime is. Guys, now we're gonna take
Everything else out of the box.
Now to open them up. Guys, these are tools to make stuff. Where are the cards? Guys,
now I've finished working on the cardboard, taking it off. The mystery box, challenge box that has fake food ingredients. So now, spin the wheel. No, the cards are here.
Yeah, we forgot the cards. Where are the cards?
In right here. I took the whole thing out. Oh. Awesome.
Yeah.
And now, let's put all that away. And here are the cards.
Guys, this is a brownie. Guys, I'm putting in a brownie now.
And guys, I'm putting in a donut.
I'm putting in a watermelon.
I'm putting in spaghetti.
I'm putting in pizza.
I'm putting in a burger.
I'm putting in a pizza. Wow. Are we done? Is it full?
What is that for?
Guys, now I'm gonna put in the pizza, which is our last card.
And why we forgot to put it in the last one? Because he forgot.
Guys, now we're gonna spin the wheel.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna spin it.
I'm spinning it. I'm younger by 1 second.
I'm older by 1 second.
Guys, now I'm gonna spin it. Oh, guys, I got a donut.
Take it out.
Guys, I'm gonna try to mix my... Guys, now I'm gonna have to see what color I'm gonna get in the mystery box. That. Oh, well, that card is sticking out. Oh my gosh, that fell out.
What did you get?
Yellow. Guys, now I'm gonna take the yellow. I'm gonna get mine now.
One more.
Right here.
Ooh,
I got
now I'm spinning. I got yellow. So I have to spin again.
Oh!
Green. So I'm gonna pick up green. This.
Guys, these are our ingredients for our fake food.
And I don't know what I got in mine.
I think I got an orange. Oh, I did get an orange, and it's so like, it feels like dried out clay. What am I gonna get in? Guys, this is perfect for a donut.
This is, I guess this is gonna be my sprinkles.
Yeah, those are definitely, these are my sprinkles.
Yeah, that's the way. So
These are my sprinkles.
Ooh, what is this?
Guys, it's gonna be a challenge. After we get all our ingredients out, we are gonna do a 1-minute challenge, and then we're gonna have to keep our hands off. Nothing. You can't use your hands. And the challenge is starting after Jacob gets his stuff out.
Okay, guess that's number one. Now my last one. Wait. Oh, it was green color. So,
Guys, now we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. Getting all the sprinkles on. Gotta get all my sprinkles. Get all this stuff together.
okay, so this is my bottom. Now I'm gonna add. Guys, I'm making it round.
Guys, now I'm gonna start to make
And it has a hole.
Guys, I'm gonna make this this round.
Okay, so now I'm going to add that little bit of Boston cream. It's gonna be Boston cream donut.
I'm making it.
Now I'm gonna make this circle.
I'm making a broccoli covered sprinkle donut.
No, pea. Those are peas.
Put this on my thing. Put this on my donut.
Okay, now I'm gonna add that frosting. Then I'm gonna add my sprinkles, whatever they look like worms.
That's it. Heads up.
Who won?
No, we have to spin the wheel and see which one we get. Guys, I'm gonna spin the wheel. Let's see what we got. We got most colorful. Who's the most colorful?
Mine is.
Oh,
I win.
I got the worst.
Now second challenge. And subscribe who won. For real.
Yeah. Guys, we forgot to use our tools for this round, so we're gonna do it the next round.
Okay, now let's
spin.
Okay. Which one is it gonna be?
Pull it out. Oh, you got a pizza. Is that a pizza or a burger? It's a burger. So now,
Guys, we spin the burger. Now I'm gonna spin and see what color I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a green. No greens in here. We already got. Let's see what color. Yellow. Did I already get the yellow? Yes, I did already. What color is it? Red.
okay, going red.
Spin the red.
My turn to spin. What is it? Blue.
Yeah.
I got light blue. I hope this is a good one for a burger.
Hey guys, now we're gonna open our thing and put them. Ooh, I got a white stuff.
Oh my god. This is perfect. This could be the bread.
This could be the cheese.
Oh, that could be mayonnaise.
No, I'm gonna make this bread and cheese.
Yeah, just cheese.
Bread and cheese.
No, how it's... Oh, fine.
We can do whatever.
Now I'm gonna rip these apart. So... Now, it looks like I got a patty.
I got bowls.
I got a patty.
These look really tasty.
Guys, I could use this for my patty because it looks like a patty, right?
Jacob's gonna win for sure.
Oh, this could be like the
Guys, look
red
at the
sauce.
ball. It's
This
bouncing
could
on
be the
that
tomato.
pan.
Guys, this could be tomatoes. This should be tomato because pink is the closest color to red. Oh, look at all of that.
Tomato. There's so much tomatoes.
It's
Okay,
tomato
guys.
sauce.
Guys, these are gonna be blue cheese balls on my burger.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Now I'm gonna add those.
Okay.
It looks like I'm gonna win this round.
It's not a race, you know.
I know, but
Okay, I'm already done with mine. This is taking a while.
wait, I need to squish that in there.
Now put yours on. We're done. Yeah. We're already done. We're gonna spin the wheel to see who won. Okay guys, where did the wheel go? Let's spin the wheel.
Guys, it says the messiest.
Which one's the messiest?
Guys, I won this round.
Yeah, Jacob won because he made such a huge mess.
Yeah.
Now we're moving on to the next
I hope I don't get purple. I wish I get purple. I want to spin the wheel this time.
Okay.
Ooh, this is a pizza.
Okay, whoever makes the best pizza one. Now let's spin.
No, I have to spin my color first.
Spin your color. You can't get red or blue. You only can get pink and purple.
This is hard to learn how to get pink. Yeah. So I'm pink.
Now
I'm gonna take my pink ingredients out.
and now I mix mine. Purple on the first try. Because these are the only two.
Ooh, I got this. This could be like the
I
those
got-
green stuff that I don't like on pizzas. That could be the oregano.
I got
It could
more,
be oregano.
guys,
This could be oregano and basil.
guys, I'm getting out my
Now see,
pepperoni.
now see what I get. Now see
What do
what,
my pepperoni feel?
guys.
Guys, look what.
Oh, this looks like chocolate.
This looks like pink.
Oh, that looks like gum.
Yeah.
Wait, they're the same thing but different color.
Yeah.
What could this be on the pizza? It could be the crust.
This could be the crust.
Yeah, sure. Or it could be like, yeah, sure. It could be the crust. Hope we land on the more the neatest.
I hope we land on the more the messiest. Get out of slime.
I don't have any
I'm
slime.
making-
Oh, I do have slime. I forgot.
We all have this thing. We almost have the same thing. Is this because I have the balls?
Guys, look how sticky this is. And this is,
Guys, just roll it like this so it's unsticky, not that sticky.
but guys, I got a different kind of slime than him. I got like the homemade slime.
We're gonna start.
Oh, take that out.
We're starting.
Wait, stop.
It's going across my plate. Oh my god. Hey, get. Ah!
Hey,
Here, Jacob.
it's going everywhere.
Here, hold that. You're garbage.
I hope I win this round.
3, 2,
1, go.
got there. Got
This
the
could be-
crust and
this-
getting my pepperoni. No, no.
It has to be the pizza
This is
shape.
gonna be the crust. This is gonna be my pizza shape. Guys, now we're gonna use the tools.
Oh yeah, we forgot.
We always forget. Guys, I'm gonna make this turn into dots.
I don't need the tools for mine. I can use my hands. Bare hands. Bare foot.
They can't even
Bare head. Oh, no.
Just get it out, get it out, get it out. My crust. Get my pepperoni. I'm done with mine. I bet I'm gonna win.
Wait until the bubble.
8, 7, 6,
Did it.
5, 4, 3.
Hope it's the more
2,
messiest.
1, 0.
Now let's spin the wheel and I hope it lands on messy. Because that was too quick. It is. Guys, which one is the most artistic? Robert's or mine?
I think mine's and Jacob's is like so tiny.
I think mine is much better.
Guys,
you get to decide who you think won in this challenge. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up.